In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use repeaters with Wix Studio. Whether you're creating a portfolio, a business website, or a blog, repeaters are a fantastic way to display content in a visually organized and cohesive way. They allow you to design repeating elements like lists, grids, or cards that maintain consistency while showcasing unique information. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add and customize repeaters to enhance your website design. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, go to the Wix Studio website. You can do this by opening your browser and typing in the Wix Studio URL. Once you're on the home page, locate the Login button, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Now, you'll need to enter your login credentials. Type in your email and password associated with your Wix account. If you prefer, and your Google account is already linked to Wix, you can simply click on the Continue with Google option. This is a great way to streamline the login process if you're in a hurry. Once you've entered your credentials, give the page a moment to load as Wix redirects you to your account dashboard. Once your account is fully loaded, you'll be taken to the Wix Studio Editor. This is where the magic happens. Now look for the plus icon. It's usually located on the left-hand side of the editor interface. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu where you can add new elements to your website. From this menu, you'll want to scroll down, or look for the section labeled Layout Tools. Once you find it, click on it. This will reveal a list of tools that can help you organize your page layout. Among these tools, you'll see an option for repeaters. Go ahead and click on that to view all the available repeater templates. Take a moment to browse through the various repeater styles. Wix offers a range of options to suit different design needs, from simple grids to more dynamic layouts. Choose a repeater style that fits your design preferences and aligns with the overall look and feel of your website. Once you've decided on a template, click and hold it, then drag and drop the repeater directly onto your page. After placing the repeater on your page, it's time to adjust its positioning. This step is crucial because the placement of the repeater can significantly affect the balance and focus of your web page. Use the editor's alignment tools to ensure the repeater is properly aligned with other elements on the page. Take your time here to make sure everything looks neat and professional. And that's it. You've successfully added a repeater to your Wix Studio website. From here, you can further customize the content within the repeater to showcase your images, text, or links. Repeaters are an excellent tool for creating a polished and consistent design across your site, so feel free to experiment and tweak the layout until it's just right. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.